They do all kind of things, you know, in there. Even blenders and all sorts. They got just mobile phone and scooters. Just check them out even though I'm not going to buy one. I ain't paying their prices no more. You know, I would end up breaking that, you know. It looks nice. But I'll end up breaking it. Even the front is glass as well. That's the front of it. Yeah, it's too delicate for me. So here it is. So what happened was I actually I saw it on the website for £169. They reduced it by £30. So I thought to myself, let's go to the main shop in because they got a shop in Westfield's shopping centre. Because most of these well-known shops, it's the same price online as it is in the shops. I thought, let's go down to the shop and get it. So I went to the shop. It was £200. So I said to the salesman, it's £169 online. Can you do it for the same price online? He said, nah, sorry, that's an online deal only. So I said, oh, no problem, I'll just order it online. So that's what I done. Went home and just ordered the thing online. It come quite quick though. This is coming less than about 2 days. So quick delivery. So there it is, that's the price. There's the star of the show. So this is what we're using at the moment, look. This is the Samsung Galaxy S8 and I've had this for a good few years now. It served me well. See the crack on the screen? 2 cracks. And plus the battery's not really lasting that long either. I'm getting like, if I use it to watch WhatsApp videos and that, less than a day I'm getting. So I thought, time for a new phone.
Delayed or cancelled flight, a dodgy builder, an issue with an insurance claim, a problem with a retailer, or anything similar to this, give me a call now on 0345 6060 or text your question to 84850. I'm Dean Dunham, and all of that is coming up next on the Elvis Music Hour. On your radio, on Global Player, and KLBC. Leading Britain's conversation.
That's the phone. Oh, the phone was in there, that's the phone. Charger. That's a 33-watt charger. USB cable in there. USB cable Type C. There it is. And the reason why I bought this one, look, headphone port, I wanted that. I sometimes do use little headphones.
And I think it's just a continuation of what he's done in terms of fighting racism in our society and standing up for people who pick up modern attacks.
Oh, that's strange. I didn't even press nothing and it's turned on.
Centre in France in a new the end of an important week for the Prime Minister and possibly the next general election. Today was actually really the substance of what Rishi Sunak is trying to do, trying to actually get Emmanuel Macron on side politically. This is hugely damaging potentially for Rishi Sunak at the election, not just in Kent constituencies, but particularly in red wall seats as well, where people want to see successful action rather than just more talk and more money to the
I want to put it on a full charge before I actually use it. Charge this thing properly.
Police say they're not looking for anybody else in connection with their deaths. And the cold weather has helped police fight crime in parts of the northeast of England. Officers in County Durham have arrested a man suspected of trying to break into cars and garages. They found him smoking.
So the SIM card goes in there.
In fresh snow. In the city, the FTSE 100 has closed down 131 points at 77.48. The pound buys $1.20 and €1.12. LBC weather, cold and icy tonight with clear skies for most. Scattered snow showers in the far north of Scotland though, with a low of -7.
Yeah, because I'm not paying. I would have got a Samsung, but I'm not paying £1,000 for the new Samsung. I'm not doing that. I found it a bit crazy how can a mobile phone cost more than a laptop? That's what I don't understand. A laptop's got a bigger screen. It should really cost more, shouldn't it? That's the tool to get the SIM card thing out. SIM card tray. And it comes with a free case. Free case. Alright, we're going to turn it on for the first time.
And how do you think the BBC can fix this? Because right now we are looking at losing Gary, and if we lose Gary, are we going to lose Ian Wright? Are we going to? And the BBC made a mistake to let
You press that button, you hold that button there at the side to turn it on.
They let out a response which made it seem everything was resolved, and then suddenly Friday, it's announced that Gary Lineker has had to come off air. So, do you think Gary was right in what he did? And he was brave to speak out for asylum seekers. It was on his Twitter account, perfectly okay. Or do you think he isn't brave? You think, as one commentator said in the Telegraph today, he's an arrogant player who thinks he can defy the ref. Tamara in Notting Hill, what's your opinion?
Hi there. I think BBC's come to you wrong, and it looks like they've got their knickers in a twist. Gary Lineker expressed this opinion.
Alright, let's just type in all this information and we'll be back. United Kingdom, that's where we stay.
Any political views expressed by our especially freelance TV presenters outside of working for BBC and from their instead they escalated this.
But I don't really want to put the SIM card in right now. So I've got a lot of stuff on my phone. The Samsung I've got to sort out. Alright, let me go and connect to my Wi-Fi. We'll be back later. So this case, as you know, came free with the phone. It was in the box. But I don't really trust this case, you know. It hasn't really got much shock absorbing properties. So I thought I'd get a new case. But I wasn't too sure what to get, so I just bought two. I bought a leather one. And I bought another sort of case, so let's open them and check these cases out. Here's the first one.
Well, John, I think the data backs you up. The big issue when it comes to getting over 50s back into work is not about tax. It's not the tax that they pay on their pension. The Office of Budget Responsibility and which scrutinises and analyses all of this concluded that the changes the government is making on pensions, a total of £850 million a year, 3.8 billion quid in the next 5 years. How many people
This
do
is
you
a
think
leather
get back
case.
to work every year? Have a guess. 15,000. So we're spending almost 4 billion quid to get 15,000
Right, let's open the
more
next.
people back into work. When you work that out per person, 56 grand per person of taxpayers' money investment in all sorts of public services and other areas? I don't think so. It's a massive waste of money. It's like needing a new fridge and selling your house to pay for it. That's the sort of analogy. Massively overspending for a small benefit, and then of course losing the benefits you would get from spending that money elsewhere. Anyway, lots of text coming in on this. Gordon says it does seem
I think I want to give this one a try
budget
first.
that seems to unravel quickly. A bonus for the top 1% when so many
Well, I tell you the truth, this ain't really got much
likely to be reversed soon. If not by
shock
this government,
absorbing properties
then
itself, really,
by
because,
the next. John
well, let's see and find out. Well,
provided in 2 years' time. Ha ha ha! What a
it's got
joke.
a, well, I don't know.
Another con by the Conservative Party. A delay of 2 years.
It's not that
They
soft.
cannot
It'll be softer than that.
serious. And Jennifer says no support.
Well, let's
for
give it a
near-fixed
try
at the
anyway.
moment. Threats alone
The back
may
is like a
keep it
see-through
in stone.
glass kind
If
of
I
thing.
don't get seen off by crippling bills and homelessness, I'm so scared.
The thing about the case that came with the phone, it doesn't really overlap the screen much. I prefer the cases that sort of overlap the screen a little bit, so you got a bit more protection when it's on tables and things like that, so the screen doesn't get scratched. You know what I mean? Okay, so I've been using this phone for a couple of months now, since March, and the verdict is on it, because I've been using it a while now, daily. I don't like it. It doesn't really suit my needs, this phone. There's a few reasons why I say that. Now, this phone does come with a load of bloatware, a lot of software installed that I don't really need. Like, for example, when I unlock the screen, you can't see it now, but now and again you get adverts coming up. I deleted them, I disabled them, but every now and again, for some reason, they still come up. I don't know what it is. Yeah, see that there? I disabled that thing at the bottom there, but I just don't know how to get it off. It's quite annoying, that. Another thing I don't like about this phone is the camera. The camera is not that good compared to my previous Samsung. It's like it's missing richness, it seems like, the camera. The photos do seem a bit dull. See, that's a pizza place I went to last week. Like, this seems a bit dull. The pictures is not like very vibrant, like the Samsung pictures and other smartphones. It's just missing richness. And the video, when you're recording video, it can be a bit shaky. The pictures are viewable, but it's just other phones do a better job. And I was surprised. I look at the back of it. That looks quite impressive. All them camera lenses, and I really thought it's going to do a really good job, better than the Samsung. But no, the Samsung's got just one camera, and but my Samsung S8, and it's actually better quality than this. But the videos ain't too bad. The videos ain't too bad. See, the videos are alright. Just the pictures, a bit disappointed in picture quality. The other thing that I don't like about this phone is it does struggle when uploading videos to like social media and stuff like that. Because what I do is, like, if I'm out for the day, if I'm visiting somewhere, I will like take quite a few videos, might take a few pictures. Then when I get home at the end of the day, I'll upload them to my story on social media. And I notice it does struggle with that. Like, it does struggle. Like, say I'm uploading 10 video clips to Snapchat, and I try and do the same on Instagram. It doesn't really work. It struggles. It's happened quite a few times when I've tried to upload. Well, I've done it. I've uploaded 10 videos to Instagram. Then when I try and go and do the same on Snapchat, or Snapchat just comes up as failed. Well, I'm guessing that's probably because of the RAM, because it's only 4 gig of RAM, I guess. It does struggle. Whereas the Samsungs did it. The Samsung did struggle, but it never said failed. It would just do it. Even if it took a bit of time, the Samsung got the job done. Yeah, another annoying thing here about this is, say I take 10 video clips during the day. Then at the end of the day, I upload those 10 video clips to my social media. Well, when I go and select the videos I want to upload, you know how it is for those people on social media. You pick one, it's will number 2 to 10, for example, the clips. Well, quite often, by the time it's finished uploading, it will sort of jumble up all those videos. It won't always be in the order that I want them to be in, which I find quite annoying, whereas my Samsung never done that. It would always upload the videos in the order I select them. I don't know why this phone does it, but that's just one annoying thing about this. So if you're a person that's always uploading onto social media, this is probably not the phone for you. But the good points about this phone is the battery life. The battery life is good in this phone. I think the most I've got out of it is about 3 days. Battery life is very good. And the sound quality, the loudspeaker is quite good as well. Because when I'm riding sometimes, cycling, I might have this on my handlebars, listen to YouTube music, and it is quite loud. That's one thing I can say. I'm quite happy with the speaker quality, the loudspeaker. That's quite good. But yeah, this phone is, I say, if you're a person that's spends a lot of time on social media, of uploading photos and things like that, or if you're always out and about taking pictures and stuff, and videos, this is probably not the best phone for you. Because this phone does struggle with those sort of things. I say this phone is more probably for like an older person or a younger person that's not really on social media really. That's not really taking a lot of photos or videos. They might take the odd 1 or 2. But I guess that's why this phone is a lot cheaper compared to the other smartphones. So anyway, I'm going to go back to Samsung. Because even though Samsung's got some bloatware, it's not like this. And you can't really get this bloatware off this. I guess there probably is a way, but I just can't be bothered.